Hi guys, are you ready for some more animal names and sounds? Okay, remember, I'm going to put an animal over here. We're going to name it. Then when I put it in front of my mouth, we make the sound. That's how it's going to go. Ready? Let's do this first one right here. Do you know what this is? It's a bear. Good job. A bear says, grrr. Right? A bear says, grrr. This time you do it. Ready? Here we go. That's a bear. Says, grrr. Good job. A bear says, grrr. Let's do another one. Here we go. Ooh, this is an animal that's a bird. What bird is this? Owl. You say it. Owl. An owl says, whoo. An owl says, whoo. Yeah, just like that. An owl says, whoo. An owl says, whoo, whoo, like that. Whoo, whoo, whoo. That's what an owl says. Let's do another one. Ready? Here we go. This is a sheep, or a baby sheep is called a lamb. We're going to call this one a sheep. A sheep. Or you could call it a lamb. You decide what you want to call it. Okay. A baby sheep says, ba, ba. A baby sheep says, ba. Baby sheep says, ba. Good job. Ba. That's what the baby sheep says. How about this one? Oh, look. It's a little baby duck. A duck. The duck says, quack, quack, quack. The duck says, quack, quack, quack. You can say it. Ready? The duck says, quack, quack, quack. That's right. The duck says, quack. Let's do one more in this video. Ready? What animal is this? Ooh. Horse, right? Horse. You say it. Horse. Good. A horse says, neigh, neigh, neigh. The horse says, neigh. You do it. Ready? This is a horse. He says, neigh. Good job. The horse says, neigh. Good job. Let's see. Can you do them all now? I'll show you them, and you tell me the names of those animals. Here we go. I'm grabbing them all, so we're ready to go. This one is a, this one is a bear. Good. This one is a owl. This one is a sheep. sheep. Good job. This one is a duck, a baby duck. It's called a duckling, duckling, duck. And this one is a horse. Good job. Horse. Let's see, can you make all their sounds? Ready? Neigh. Grrr. Hoo, hoo. Ba. And the last one? Quack, 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 quack. Good job. I hope you had fun with that. You can watch it again if you want.